In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn ChatGPT into your personal therapist. Let's explore how this powerful tool can be harnessed for self-discovery, emotional support, and even developing coping strategies, all from the comfort of your own home. The first step involves setting the role clearly. When using ChatGPT as a virtual therapist, it's crucial to define the conversational role at the outset. You can start your interaction by saying something like, "Today, I would like you to act as a therapist." This lets the AI understand your expectations and tailor its responses accordingly. While it doesn't replace a human professional, establishing this role can create a framework for productive dialogue. Next, consider using structured prompts that promote self-reflection. A prompt is essentially a question or statement you present to ChatGPT to initiate a specific line of thought. These structured prompts are ideal for exploring emotions and thoughts in depth. You might ask, "Can you help me better understand why I'm feeling anxious?" By using clear and directed prompts, you're more likely to gain constructive insights into your thoughts and emotions. Now, let's talk about reframing and coping strategies. Reframing is an essential therapeutic technique that involves viewing a particular situation from a different perspective. You can ask ChatGPT, "Help me reframe this thought. I always fail at everything." Engaging with the AI in this way encourages it to suggest alternate viewpoints or coping mechanisms, which can be valuable in changing negative thought patterns. Moving on, it's important to create ongoing support and make the most of your interactions with ChatGPT. Consider setting up regular check-ins or sessions. You could start with daily or weekly prompts to build consistency in your self-exploration process. An example might be, "Every Monday, help me set positive intentions for the week ahead." Creating the structure helps reinforce your journey towards personal development and emotional well-being. Additionally, example prompts can serve as a great starting point for your conversations. You might use a template like, "Act like a supportive therapist. I'll tell you about my stress, and you help me unpack what might be causing it." This encourages the AI to provide a thoughtful and empathetic response, allowing you to explore your feelings just as you might in a traditional therapy session. Lastly, remember that while ChatGPT is a remarkable tool for reflection and support, it's not a substitute for professional therapy. If you're dealing with deep-seated issues or crises, seeking guidance from a licensed therapist remains essential. However, by clearly defining roles and utilizing structured prompts and reframing techniques, ChatGPT can become a valuable ally in your personal growth journey. By embracing these strategies, you can unlock a new dimension of self-exploration and support using AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful in your path toward emotional health and insight.